Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be making a pimples face soap. This face soap can be used to clear pimples when you're suffering from acne, from pimples. With this soap, you can actually get rid of that stubborn pimples, okay? It's all made with natural ingredients. Don't forget it's organic, not promise and miss. This is not miss. This is organic. So today we are going to be using our soap base, the one we used to make the lightning face soap the other time. So this is our soap base. This is a goat milk soap base. You can actually use the glycerin soap base and also the shea butter soap base. You can use any of it, they are all the same, but I prefer using this goat milk soap base because it has a very creamy consistency. It does not dry off the skin. Okay, so today let me tell you everything we're going to be needing. Before that, if this is your first time coming across my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Here we do teaching of how to formulate products by yourself with natural ingredients, herbs and oils. Okay, without wasting your time, let's get right into this video. Okay, we are going to be needing this mold. You can use any silicone mold of your choice. You can use any silicone mold of your choice, but I'm using this. And this soap, I'm selling this soap, but I just want to share this recipe with you guys. You can as well make your own and sell, okay? The sky is wide enough for everyone to fly. So also you're going to be needing amla powder. It's called the Indian gooseberry powder. You're going to be needing this, and we are going to be using the neem powder as well. You can see they are all organic. And also I'm using the licorice powder, okay? And also I'll be needing some lavender seed, but this one is not compulsory, okay? If you don't want it, you can just opt it out. So I'll be needing my lavender essential oil, and also you need your measuring spoon and your spatula and your scale. Today we are going to be we are going to be cutting out 1 kg of the soap base. Okay, let me cut it out, then chop it, then we'll come back to the rest. Working space is very clean. This is my rubbing alcohol. I sprayed it all over here, then I cleaned everywhere. Make sure your working space is very clean. Is important. So now I'm going to be putting on my gloves, okay? Because this is for commercial purpose, it's not for my self-use alone. We are cutting out from this soap base. When you chop it into smaller sizes, it's easy for it to actually dissolve. Okay, it's into smaller sizes. Now we are going to do the double boiling method. I'm going to do double boil this one, and when it's completely melt, then we'll come back to put the rest ingredients. Okay, so now we are going to add all our powders, and we are using 1 tablespoon of each powder. First, I'm going in with my amla powder, the Indian gooseberry powder. One. Then I'm going in with my neem powder. Then I'm going in with my licorice. I need to get in all. I need to add a little bit to it. Okay, I need to get a new one. So now we are going to stir it properly. You are going to stir it very, very well. If not, you're going to see chunks. Now, essential oil. Sorry, I forgot to tell you. I added preservative, 10 grams of the preservative. Now I'm adding in some essential oil, which is the lavender essential oil. Now we are going to pour it before it begins to solidify. So we are going to pour it. What I normally do before pouring in my soap to the mold, I will just spray the rubbing alcohol back to it. So then I'll pour in the soap. I'm trying to mix it very well because there are some lumps here. So I'm just going to add to the soap. That is all. And now we are going to wait for the soap to solidify. Now I'm going to show you what I do to have a smooth soap without bubbles. Okay, now I'm going to spray in. You see, when I spray, the bubbles are gone. Yeah. So now I'm just going to add in the lavender. So now we are going to unmold our soap. Let me show you how it looks. This is our soap and this is how it looks. This soap is available on our website. You can actually buy from our website. Hope you enjoy watching this video. Please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to thumbs up. Give the video a like. Okay, bye bye. See you on my next video.